Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to try to answer the question why Ondo Finance could fall, crash, plummet, whatever the word you want to choose, down to 40 cents. Now, you can already see off the chart that the biggest reason is because no one's really trying to come in and buy this token, this cryptocurrency. And then plus, Jerome, the president of the Fed, also cut the interest rate by 50 basis points. How is that going to go for Ondo Finance? Real world assets, cryptocurrency. Let's talk about it. Now, before I do, welcome everyone to the channel. This is what we do here. You guys can see it in front of you right now. I do price predictions. I anticipate where the market's going to go without any confusion. If today's your first time ever seeing my videos and my content, welcome aboard. If you want to follow me to get more of this simplistic understanding of how market works, I suggest that you guys go ahead and do that. Subscribing, liking, sharing the video as well. Now, this particular price prediction on the chart right now has been in play ever since August the 14th, 2024. Okay, we've been looking for Ondo to continue to go lower in price, and that's pretty much been the direction. I mean, we even actually have this downtrend line on our chart to simply show you the current direction of price action, which currently tells us who's winning. Okay, currently the market is being controlled by sellers. If anyone says that that's not the case, they obviously have not looked at the chart for Ondo. This is clearly a market being controlled by sellers. Buyers only popped in right here into the market in Ondo. Okay, right there. That's the only day that they actually won in stopping the market going lower. From that particular day, August the 5th, Ondo made a small movement higher. It wasn't big, it was substantial, and then the market continued to crater. It continued to fall, and it almost came here to our ultimate TP price, which is like 50 cents. Now we're talking about looking for Ondo to fall down to 40, which would take us to our second buy zone. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Is it possible? Let's take a look at Ondo on a longer term time frame. So here it is on the weekly 5-week chart. That definitely looks plausible. Okay, look at this 5-weekly price bar right there. What about on the 3 weeks? Even here on the 3 weeks, it looks plausible, feasible, reasonable for us to see Ondo go down to that second buy zone, which is around 40 cents. Okay, what about on the 2? See here as well. The market can definitely go down to the second buy zone. Here it is on the weekly chart. Now here on the weekly chart, I can see some buyers trying to support the price over the last 3 weeks. Somebody in Ondo is trying to not allow the market to fall down to that second buy zone. So it may be a couple of weeks, like I said, 3, 5, 2-week chart time frame, to see this market in Ondo actually go down to that second buy zone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this down a little bit lower to the second buy zone. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Not too bad. Currently we're seeing some stability into the price action in Ondo. Here it is on the 4, same thing. Here it is on the 3. So as of right now, yeah, the market may actually pause, may actually try to lift up higher in price. But as long as Ondo does not see the market break above this sell zone, then we're going to continue to look for price to go lower. Okay, so like right now, don't be astonished, don't be surprised, don't scratch your head and figure out why it's Ondo going up. I'm telling you that now. We can see it right here that the market is buying. Okay, so from out the gate, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market try to lift from where it is now. Maybe, like I said, hit this first sell zone, potentially breaking that first sell zone, hitting 90 cents, maybe in $1 if the overall market becomes bullish. But given the long term, that's the cause or the reason as to why I'm not dropping this current price prediction. It's because on the long term time frame, the market still looks weak. Okay, but yeah, we'll keep our eyes on it. But while we have it though, what's wrong with taking some of this off the table? Like on September the 3rd and the 6th, that's 29% right there. Did you take the profit there? Or even on the close of those 2 days, 25% to 22%. Even work out the market right now, 15% run. Like, this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take some of this off the table while you have the profit in your hand. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this prediction over a little bit further, give the market more opportunity to move to the downside. And if anything changes, like I said, we'll come through and say, look, the buyers that we talked about on this particular video, it looked like they're still in control. Okay. And if that continues to be the case, then understand we will simply change our price prediction. That's it. That's one of the best things about being in the cryptocurrency market, is that we all play both roles. We are always going to be a buyer and a seller. Each and every person who participates in the cryptocurrency space at one point in time will play the buyer, and then they will also play the seller. Everybody. You cannot just be a buyer, because in order for you to actually recoup your profit, you have to become a seller. And even for the people who short cryptocurrencies, you can't stay a short seller all the time. In order for you to close out your position, guess what? You got to buy it back. So you got to be a buyer. So we all play both teams. Crazy, isn't it? But yeah, this is the current situation that I'm seeing in Ondo Finance. I see a lot of these cryptocurrency altcoins kind of trading stable right now. Nothing is trending bullish. Nothing is looking like it's going to break out to the upside. It's going to give us a moonshot in price action. It just seems like the market is just calm. That is the time to where you need to get prepared for the next move, whether it's going to be a continuation down in Ondo or a breakout to the upside. Okay, so be on the lookout, because if we see Ondo Finance break that downtrend line higher, and then it's testing that first sell zone, then again, those are all indications, confirmations to give us an idea as to where price is headed. So we can have a stable mind and an ease mind, understanding that we can read what price is trying to do. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.